Okay guys, so we're back. Let's get back into it. Okay, it's moving day. It's moving day. Sisi, you should pack your bag. Okay.
Pinaghintay ka pa? Alin, natin? O sa kabila? Sa high floor?
So I'm gonna pack my stuff. Hold on,
Ito si Sam, sabi ko,
get dressed.
Sam, marami na nag-inquire sa condo. Kailan yun pwede pa-viewing? Sagot niya, uy, wow! Next Sunday, September 15. Akala niya schedule niya. Hindi ba alam naman, ha?
Okay guys,
Schedule niya, tapos sabay-sabay yung mga tao? Gano'n?
so okay.
Schedule niya masusunod?
I'm
Sabi
gonna
mo,
pack my
hindi. May tao ba lagi dyan?
Ready lang niya, magpa-general cleaning siya, gano'n.
So I have brush again. Okay, brush. Just brush my hair first. Allow me with okay. My abdomen needs sounds. My dreams were just my makeup stick. I'm just gonna have that when I'm cold. Should wear my friend later. That's my car. I'm gonna. Oopsies. Oh, that's nice. So, okay, I'm gonna.
Babalik pa ako, babalik ako na yung
Magulan na naman ng buhos-buhos. Kunin mo natin. Halika na. Baka mamaya.
Alright, the car?
I'm okay.
Yeah. Para mas stop ka nung kakatablet niyan.
I'm filming a video.
Kahit na, hindi yun. Whatever you...
Times the DIYs.
Okay. I'm gonna put everything back here. So, I decorated this house. So,
Record ka lang sa pakabahaba.
hindi, it's 4 minutes lang. Without,
Yung na ba yun? Baka may tatakbong na.
okay, so, let's protect.
Mali, dapat pinagawa ko si Mahal. Eh, gano'n.
Yeah. So, let's get on.
Lalong expert.
Oopsies, I picked it again.
Ano bibiling ko? Curtain.
then when I give you a house
Ako yan. Sira yung mo.
Ano orange? Haglo lang yung glue. Haglo lang.
Hindi mo nakagulang mo.
Hindi,
Napatiin sa
nakaklip yung ano. Nakaklip yung orange sa ilalim. Ikaw yung i-defense.
Ha?
I-defense.
Eh, ako ibibili bukas eh. Baka mali lang yung gamit nila. Nakaglue lang yung orange.
I-defense yung orange sa ilalim.
Patay yan eh.
They're good. Okay, now I'm just gonna get my credit card. My wallet.
Yung orange, nakadikit yung nandun sa nakadikit yung pinaka dito sa pinakang palad mo. Ito nakabilay. Ay, hindi mo, wala tama yun.
Questioning, why do I have animal? They're just aesthetic. And my house is almost done. Almost cleared everything's almost cleared. You're right. Oh. So that I already bought a box.
Ito rin nga. Ba't ganun? Bakit?
Okay, so
Bakit bumitaw agad ko yung malapit?
did you leave anything?
May iba na yung orange, parang may takpa yung orange.
Okay, I think that's everything. I brought some help. I got my friend too. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is my friend. Okay.
Gusto ko siya yung tubig-tubig. Ang dinner niyo yung yung shopping? Ang dalawa na ba yan?
Tapos, lugo yung dito.
Oh, okay. You're here to help. Okay. Let's go into the new house. I'll tell you when it's done. So bye guys. Bye to the stars. It's only for birthday.